Hello, and welcome to English Podcast with Missy. Here we learn English for real life. Clear, slow, and simple. Let's learn English together. Are you ready? Let's begin. Hello, my dear friends. It's Missy here. Welcome back to our cozy English corner. Today, I want to talk about something very close to all of us. Something quiet, personal, and sometimes confusing. Today's topic is my daily mood. Our mood is not something we can control completely. It changes with our sleep, our thoughts, our body, and the world around us. Some days we feel calm and positive. Other days we feel tired, sensitive, or low, even when nothing bad happens. In this story, I will walk you through one normal day of my life. As you listen, pay attention to the conditional sentences. Sentences that start with if and show cause and result. Let's begin. My daily mood often starts before I even open my eyes. If I sleep deeply, my body feels light in the morning. If I don't sleep well, my mind feels heavy before the day begins. This morning, my alarm rings softly at 6:30 a.m. For a moment, I want to press snooze. But I know something about myself. If I stay in bed too long, I feel rushed later. If I wake up on time, I feel more in control. So I sit up slowly. If I rush my body, my mood becomes tense. If I move gently, my mood stays calm. I take a deep breath and stretch my arms. If I breathe slowly, my thoughts slow down too. I walk to the window and pull back the curtain. If the morning light is soft, I feel peaceful. If the sky is dark and gray, my mood sometimes feels quiet and low. Today, the sky is cloudy but bright. I smile and think. If I accept the weather instead of fighting it, I feel better. Some days I want sunshine. But if I expect every day to be perfect, I feel disappointed. So I choose acceptance. In the kitchen, I boil water for tea. If I skip my morning drink, I feel slow and unfocused. If I drink something warm, my body wakes up naturally. While the water heats, I prepare breakfast. If I eat nothing, my energy drops quickly. If I eat something small, my mood stays stable. I sit at the table quietly. If I check my phone too early, my mind becomes noisy. If I stay offline for a while, my thoughts stay clear. Today, I stay offline. I remind myself, if I take care of my mood in the morning, it protects me later. When I leave home, the world slowly enters my space. If the street is busy, I feel alert. If it is quiet, I feel relaxed. I decide to walk to work. If I walk, I notice small details. If I notice small details, my mood becomes softer. A woman smiles as she passes me. If someone smiles at me, I feel connected. If everyone avoids eye contact, the world feels colder. I hear birds singing. If I listen carefully, my stress fades. Not everything is gentle. A loud motorbike passes suddenly. If loud noises surprise me, my heart jumps. But if I breathe slowly, my body calms down again. I remind myself, if I react strongly to every small thing, my mood becomes unstable. So I choose calm. At work, my mood is tested. If I arrive early, I feel prepared. If I arrive late, I feel anxious. I sit at my desk and open my computer. If my task list is long, I feel overwhelmed. If I take one task at a time, I feel capable. I start working. If something goes wrong, frustration appears quickly. But if I pause before reacting, I usually find a solution. A message arrives. If I misunderstand the tone, I feel worried. If I focus only on the words, not my fear, I feel calmer. By lunchtime, my mood needs a reset. If I eat at my desk, my mind never rests. If I leave my workspace, my mood improves. I eat with a colleague. If we talk about light topics, I feel relaxed. If we complain too much, my mood drops. Today, we laugh. If I laugh, my body relaxes automatically. In the afternoon, my energy drops. If I expect myself to feel energetic all day, I feel frustrated. If I accept low energy, my mood stays balanced. I drink water. If I stay hydrated, my focus improves. A small mistake happens. If I blame myself harshly, my confidence drops. If I speak kindly to myself, I recover faster. I think, if I were kinder to myself all the time, my days would feel lighter. When work ends, my shoulders relax. If I finish my tasks, I feel satisfied. If I don't, I remind myself that tomorrow is another day. On the way home, I listen to soft music. If I replay problems in my head, stress follows me home. If I listen to music, my thoughts slow down. So I choose music. At home, I change into comfortable clothes. If my space feels cozy, my mood softens immediately. I cook dinner slowly. If I rush, I feel annoyed. If I cook calmly, I enjoy the moment. Before bed, I reflect. If I focus only on mistakes, I feel heavy. If I notice small successes, I feel grateful. I tell myself, if I don't judge my mood, it won't control me. Sometimes I wonder, if I were always happy, would I understand myself deeply? Probably not. If we allow our mood to change, we learn how to live with ourselves gently. Now let's clearly explain the grammar you heard. Zero conditional. Used for general truths and habits. Things that are always true or happen regularly. Structure. If plus, present simple, present simple. Examples from the story. If I sleep well, I wake up calm. If I skip breakfast, I feel tired. If I walk, I notice small things. These sentences talk about facts, not the future. First conditional. Used for real and possible future results. Used when something can really happen. Structure. If plus present simple, will slash usually slash can, plus base verb. Examples. If I take a break, I feel better. If I react gently, my mood recovers faster. If I listen to music, my stress goes away. These sentences show choice to result. Second conditional, simple and gentle. Used for imagination or reflection. Not about real situations now, but ideas or dreams. Structure. If plus past simple, would plus base verb. Example. If I were kinder to myself, my days would feel lighter. If I were always happy, would I understand myself? These sentences help us reflect. So, my dear friends, this is my daily mood. It changes. It rises and falls. And that's okay. If you listen to your mood, it teaches you something. If you treat it kindly, it becomes easier to live with. Thank you for spending this quiet moment with me. If you enjoyed this story, listen again and notice the conditional sentences. Until next time, take care of yourself. One gentle choice at a time.